In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Notion templates on Gumroad. We'll walk through the full process of turning your Notion template into a polished product that people can actually buy using Gumroad's dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your Gumroad account, then head over to your dashboard. This is your main control center, where you'll be able to see all your products and sales. From the dashboard, click on the Products tab. This is where you create and manage everything you sell. To add your Notion template, click on New Product. Gumroad will open a setup page where you define what you're selling. Start by giving your product a clear name. Click into the name field and type something that makes sense, like Notion Templates, or a more specific title such as Notion Personal Productivity Dashboard. Try to be descriptive so potential buyers immediately understand what they're getting. Next, choose the product type. Because you're selling a Notion template, selecting digital product will usually be the best option. After that, set your price. Type in the amount you want to charge, and then click on the currency drop-down to choose the currency you want to be paid in. Take a second here to think about your audience and where most of your customers are likely to be. When that's done, click on Next, Customize. This is where you'll make your product page look appealing. In the description field, write a clear explanation of what your Notion templates include, who they're for, and what problems they solve. Think of this as your sales pitch. Below that, you'll see a URL field. Customize this so your product link is clean and easy to share. Then, in the cover section, upload an image or a short video that visually represents your template. This will show at the top of your product page. Right under it, upload a thumbnail image which appears in product lists and previews. Use simple, readable designs here. In the product info section, choose a call to action text, like buy this or I want this from the dropdown. Then write a short summary that quickly highlights the main benefit of your template. If you want, you can click Add Details in the additional details section to include extra information, like what's included or how long customers get updates. In the integration section, decide whether you want to invite customers to communities on other platforms, such as a private group or forum. Next, look at the pricing section. Here you can fine-tune how people pay. For example, you can allow pay what you want, offer installments, or set a fixed price only. If you plan to offer multiple tiers, like a standard and a VIP version of your Notion template, use the version section and click Add Version to set those up. In the settings section, you can control options like limiting the number of sales, letting customers choose a quantity, or publicly showing the number of sales on your product page. These settings help you shape how your offer appears and feels. Now, go to the top of the page and click on the Content tab. This is where you add what buyers actually receive. You can either paste instructions and links into the content field, or, if you prefer, use the upload icon in the toolbar above the content area to upload a document that contains the Notion template link and any onboarding guide you've prepared. Once your content is ready, click on the Receipt tab. Here you can customize the button text that customers see after purchase and add a thank you message, plus any important next steps, like click the button below to access your Notion template. When everything looks good, click on Publish and Continue. Gumroad will guide you through the final steps of publishing your product, which are straightforward confirmations. After that, your Notion template will be